CINEFADE allows you to vary depth of field in one shot at constant exposure. So basically, you can gradually transition between a deep depth of field and a shallow depth of field in one shot. I have a motor on the iris, which changes the depth of field, and a motor on a variable ND filter, which is slaved to the iris motor to keep the exposure constant. I then use my hand unit. I operate the iris slider to gradually go from a T8 to a T1.3, for example. And you're seeing only a change in depth of field and not a change in exposure. So this system is using the C-motion C-volution system. And I'm using the hand unit here to operate the iris slider. And as you can see, the iris motor is moving to change the depth of field. And the variable ND motor is moving at the same time to keep the exposure constant. CINEFADE is available to rent directly from us, or in London from Ari Rental, and in LA from Keslow Camera. We are renting only at the moment, and later on this year we're going to hopefully start selling to you as well. We are not renting in Italy yet, but through us and through Ari in London, you can get the system sent to Italy as well. And then that's the showreel showing. So in this shot, you'll be able to see when she looks at the police officers approaching, the depth of field gradually becomes shallow. And again, you're starting at a deep depth of field and then gradually going to a shallow depth of field at constant exposure. And you can check out cinefade.com for more examples and for contact details on how to get the system rented.